There's a lot of excitement in the area of glaucoma research and in glaucoma in general in terms of new medications, new glaucoma surgical options. And in the area of research, I wanted to convey that there's a lot of dedicated scientists who are really trying hard to try to understand glaucoma at its root cause, trying to also potentially cure it with some really exciting approaches. My name is Yvonne Oh. I'm Associate Professor of Ophthalmology at the University of California in San Francisco. Some of the research areas that I highlighted were retinal regeneration or rewiring within the retina, because if we are to try to rescue cells, ganglion cells in the retina, they need to find their appropriate partners and they need to form the appropriate connections. The second area I focused on was axonal regeneration. Axonal regeneration is, of course, one of the holy grails of optic nerve regeneration. And we need the axons to grow all the way from the retina to the brain. That's a distance of about 40 to 50 millimeters. Once they grow back to the appropriate targets in the brain, they need to form the right connections as well. The third area I focused on was stem cells, and I just tried to highlight that stem cells in glaucoma therapy could both be for trabecular meshwork cell replacement, retinal ganglion cell replacement, but also just in the interim using stem cells and ganglion cells that are derived from stem cells to model human glaucoma and to use it for high throughput drug screening. And then the last area that I spoke about was whole eye transplant, which is a project funded by the Department of Defense, and it's very exciting. I still think early days, but the idea is that there's potential for doing a hemifacial transplant with the eye, being able to connect the blood vessels, supply it with blood vessels, reconnect the optic nerve. Of course, there's many hurdles. We have to get the optic nerve to regenerate. The primary investigator, principal investigator of that study has called it a moonshot, and I think it is, but I think it's really exciting.